Hi there, traders. Good morning, good afternoon, good night. Let's take a look at what we have going on today. It was an interesting day. We had a little bit of volatility pushing things left and right. You can see that the Great Britain USD managed to make a lower low, but now has bounced higher. And if it can break just above this zone around the 160.10 level, it will create another higher high. And this pair does not have any direction at the moment. You can see we basically have a chop zone, a kill zone right here between 162.50 and 158.75. And until we break out of that zone, I'm just not interested in touching this pair. If you want to scalp it on a shorter 4-hour chart, you can just basically put the top of the range and the bottom of the range and see what you get. But it has been in this range for almost 2 months now, just 2 days away, and something will have to give eventually. The EURUSD, this guy also seems to not have any legs under it for a push continued lower. You can see it moved down to the 50 fib at 132.92 and can't get anything going. Now the pair is trying to push up higher, closing out, would be closing out any stacker trades that I have. Those are long-term swing trades that in which I stack the orders on top of each other, moving trades to break even as I go. But you can see that we'll have to watch this in the short term to see what we get going. A break of this high would kind of switch things up, or would favor a continued move higher. Right now, though, it's above 134.50, so we're back into this range, back above support, so we could see a push higher in that pair. The Aussie USD, you can see still just sitting around this 92.90 level, just above it, nothing exciting. And the New Zealand USD, I would love to see it break this level, and then we'd have a beautiful head and shoulders there, and we could see a measured move lower towards about the 79 level. But we can't seem to get through. And we see we have a nice, perfect wick there on both sides. There's really indecision right there where that cross wants to go. And we'll have to keep our eyes on that in the short run, but we need a break of that 81.60 levels to really get favor a continued move lower. And in the Swiss franc, you can see this is a trade that I currently have, looking for a bounce higher. We're sitting right above this trend line still, but we can't really gain any momentum to the top side, so we'll have to see what happens there. The JPY is the talk of the day, right around 100, but honestly I'd want to see a break of this 160 level before I would favor a continued move higher. Had some great trades this morning in the Great Britain Usd, managed to get 165 pips, scalping the Oz higher today, and it's been a pretty good week for that for some of my Asian trading, so I'm pretty happy with that. If you want to sign up for the Keen feed or get an insight on the different trading methods that I do, go up and sign up today. You can watch the Currency Watch video, and you can also jump in on the Keen feed where I talk about all the trades and show you all the setups throughout the day, and actually kind of show you exactly what I'm doing. All right, everybody, have a good night. See you guys tomorrow.